back with another video. This video is going to contain the Illumi-Duty. What I've been keeping a secret this entire time is going to be coming out in this video. So stick around and watch the entire thing because you're not going to want to miss this. This thing, when it pops out, it's going to be absolutely insane. Nobody expected it. I know none of you guys expected it. I've been biting my tongue for the past 4 months, getting everything together, getting everything ordered to get this project done. The tow pig is going to be the ultimate tow pig. One of one. It has been done once or twice, but nobody really knows about it. And it's going to be completely different to what I'm doing to this thing. It's not going to look the same. So, for starters, I just took the taillights out. We're going to get them color matched. The bumper, bought a whole new bumper, paintable bumper instead of the chrome. Taillights are out. And I don't know if you've seen behind me, but I've got my mini cradles that I designed. I took measurements, designed them. We're gonna mock them up today. We're gonna have a lot of stuff to take apart today. Bumpers, front, rear bumpers, grill, door handles, possibly, if I get into that, I don't know. Debadging some things, getting them off because I don't like them anymore. And a bunch of other things that are still gonna be a secret until we get further into the video. But I will show you guys a mini cradle that I designed. I'm gonna do my own custom 4-link lift, powdering, everything is getting done to the tow pig. Complete overhaul, and I am stoked. I ordered brand new wheels for this truck, partnered up with Outlaw Forge, but no one knows what size they are, no one knows what they are or anything. The cut, nothing. The finish, anything. I will say I have floaters. That's all I can say though. And they are gonna be bigger than 22s. Comment down below on what you think I'm doing to the truck, what size lift, what size wheels, what size tires, everything. Also, comment down below what color powder you think I'm gonna do. Could be anything. You never know. I'm a guy of many surprises. Sit back, relax. I'm gonna put it on time lapse. We're gonna take apart this truck, get to sanding, get to color matching, and get this thing going. See behind me, we got the entire truck torn apart. Now it's to get the bumper the rest of the way disassembled and the grill disassembled, get the badge off of there. I'm gonna try to do and take apart the badge itself to paint it. We got the rear end all torn apart. Oh, I don't want to lose those. I didn't know those were just tabs sitting in there. Make sure I don't forget about those, because if I lose those, that'll be a bad deal. She's looking a bit rough, but it's all for the good. Why do they have so much wiring? Good Lord. Alrighty, so we got the grill disassembled and the Ford emblem disassembled. First time doing this, kind of sketchy, but I got it done. We're gonna be painting that, repainting these Caribou because they're just kind of faded and nasty, so we're just gonna repaint those. Bumper is still not taken apart, and I don't know how to take these off without breaking them, so I'm a bit nervous about that. That's gonna get powder coated. That's the junk bumper because when I blew my truck up down in Florida, we gotta get it on the trailer, and that was the only way to get it on, by squeezing it on a trailer, and all the way home from Florida, it rode on the neck of the gooseneck and put dents in my bumper. No, this thing's like super tight though. I wanted to color match this anyway, so just rub the chrome off and I'll get a little bit closer.
Roll pan.
Yeah. It gets me, yeah, more motivated to get it color matched. So, got this one. It's sanded down, almost ready. Got to get these sensors out, and we're going to paint those to match that. I don't think I'm going to paint any of my plastics right now just because it's black on black, and I don't really think I need to. So, not doing that. I got new tires. So, I got new tires. These tires are... I'm not gonna tell you the size yet. You guys know me, I love to do burnout, so I had to get 2 extra tires just because I know as soon as I get this thing done, I'm laying a heater. Next show, we gotta lay a heater because I got 2 extra tires to put on there as spares. So we got some nice Versas. And we got 2 extra tires just so I can, I mean, you guys know I usually burn them off anyway, so. So as you know, we got a bunch of things to sandblast and paint. Went and picked up this from Harbor Freight. Hopefully it works out pretty good. Finally, we got all of the hard work out of the way and we got everything prepped, sanded. I just put some adhesion promoter on all the plastic. So now, in about, what time is it? 7:15 in about 10 minutes, we're about to lay down some primer and then get back to sanding. So I guess I lied. There is a little bit of labor still left. But after the sanding, then it's the pretty stuff. But after we get the primer on there, we'll know if our sanding was good enough. The primer sticks, paint should stick. Not true, because if you don't sand the primer correctly, then the paint will... All right, I'm just lying to you guys. I'm gonna stop lying. We're gonna get into a montage and watch this stuff transform. So we got everything painted except for one thing and one thing only. The rear bumper. Why, you may ask? Because I ran out of freaking paint. Miscalculated. It happens. Okay? We're gonna go ahead and walk through everything that we got painted. Give you a little rundown on it. Yeah. Bumper turned out beautiful. It's looking great. Like glass. You can even see both the grill bars looking good. The front emblem. Let's set it in there and give you a little rundown on what it's gonna look like. Boom. Tell me that's not sick. That's gonna look super good. And then we got sensors, and then of course this is gonna be the D.
These nuts. Got it.
We got the grill bars there. And the valence over there. So we're back in the shop trying to get this all done. We had everything painted and ready to go in assembly time. But for some reason, again, for the third time, we got to do the emblem. And then the grill was completely painted. But it turned out the guy at O'Reilly's mixed up the paint wrong. And it turned out to be damn near purple. So I had to sand it all back down. We're going to prime that, paint it again, paint the emblem. We got the hitch back here. I was going to powder coat it, but I got some paint. Might as well just paint it. We do have the rear bumper. We have the rear bumper all covered up and put together, and we have the front bumper over there all put together, and we're about to go install that real quick. So time lapse it is, and put that bad boy on. Hopefully it matches. Little did you guys know, I completely bent my axle housing, so Rogers Auto, they hooked me up with this big boy. Now let's see if we can scratch up my mom's brand new bed liner. Got her loaded up, all thanks to Rogers. And when I mean bent, I mean caved in on us, boys. And this is an F250 axle single wheel, so it's gonna do a hell of a lot better than the F250 single wheel axle. Plus, bigger axle housing, just all around heavy duty, so we can really load down. We can probably load 4 or 5 trucks on the trailer now and not even sweat it. See you on the next one. I'm here to work, and Buddy doesn't want to work, he's supposed to stay cool. This is ridiculous. Chop, chop, suey. Where's the power washer? We need a power washer. Where's it at? It ain't even set up. Cheers. This is ridiculous. can't even have any good help around here. And y'all wonder why all my projects take so long to get done. Because I have no help. Got a hose, that's it. Is that bent? I'm pretty sure that's bent.
No, that's my spare hitch.